Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Revolut for daily budgeting and expenses. So first open the Revolut app and sign into your account. Then from the home screen, tap Analytics or Budgeting depending on your app version. Then create a monthly spending budget by entering the amount you'd like to spend. Revolut will automatically categorize many of your purchases, making it easier to track where your money goes. You can also review your spending by category, merchant, or date. And if needed, adjust your budget throughout the month to better match your expenses and make it a habit to check your spending regularly so you can stay within your budget. So that was how to use Revolut for daily budgeting and expenses. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.